In the small Herefordshire town of Ledbury is the Church of St Michael and All Angels. As well as being an interesting building in itself, it houses two remarkable paintings of the Last Supper. As you walk down the nave towards the altar, you get your first glimpse of perhaps a very familiar painting, that of Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper. This is a copy painted in 1824 by Thomas Ballard for the church as an altarpiece. He copied it from the one now in the Royal Academy, but it was then in Somerset House. The second is not so obvious as it sits high up by the entrance. This was given to the church in 1909, and it was only in 2018, when it was being cleaned and restored, that it was found to be a lost Titian. It includes one of the few portraits of Titian himself in it. He is seated second from the right. There is a book available by the restorers Ronald and Patricia, which I intend to get to read up more on the subject. A link of this is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, then why not hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe as new content is regularly put up.